Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change target priority in Honor of Kings. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by launching the application. Then from the main screen, tap on the settings icon. Now you're on the settings menu. On the left side, you can see lots of options. From there, select controls. Scroll down to basic attack target priority. Here you have three options to whom you want to set your target priority to. First one is lowest health percentage. When you enable this option, the enemy with the lowest health will be targeted. When you enable the second option, that is lowest absolute health, you will target the opponent with the lowest current numerical health value. The last option is nearest unit, which means that the enemy that is nearest to you will be prioritized to target. So select any one option from here, and that's how you can change target priority in Honor of Kings.